take more picture here at the lobby, so you can come back later after our tour. So balik na lang po kayo mamaya kung may oras po kayo. Okay? Especially for the late comers po. If you want to take picture with skeleton, balik po kayo dito after our tour. Alright, so everyone, sa good afternoon po and mabuhay. So welcome to Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. So this is formerly known as Crocodile Farming Institute or CFI. And by the way po, my name is Irene and I will be your information assistant for this tour. And I will assist you from here down to the hatchling house and up to the pens of the big crocodiles. Yes po, hanggang kulungan ng malalaking buhaya. And then after our tour, everyone, if you want to experience to take picture when holding live crocodile, kakarga po kayo ng maliit na buhaya. So after our tour, so you can proceed there to the photo booth located at the exit area. And that is only for 60 pesos, unlimited picture using your cameras and cell phones. But don't worry, crocodiles are safe because their mouth was already safe. Nakatape po yung buhaya, so hindi po kayo makakagat. But everyone, before we proceed to the red crocodiles, I just want to give you some information about this skeleton, and this is his real skin. So this is Rio, R-I-O, a male saltwater crocodile which was caught in Rio Tubanilver, Batarasa, and that is in the southern part of Palawan. He was purposely captured because he attacked and killed a native fisherman from the area, and it was confirmed that he swallowed only the right leg of the victim. Naka-atake at nakapatay po ito ng mga isda. Alright, again everyone, so this crocodile attacked and killed a native fisherman, and it was confirmed that he swallowed only the right leg of the victim. So naka-attack at nakapatay po ito ng mga isda at nakonfirma po nalunok niya yung kanang binti ng biktima. But after 5 months in captivity, he died because of internal bleeding and too much stress. And it's about 60 years old when he died, 60. So for this skin, there's no commercial value anymore. So wala na po itong halaga. Because ideally, the one being used for making leather bags, shoes, wallets, belts, and other products are the skin of the young crocodiles, which is about 3 to 5 years old only. Sa mga batang buhaya po yung ginagamit nila. Because everyone, if you can notice the skin of Rio, and it's too hard and very dry for the machine to be processed. Hindi na po kakayanin kasi, again, masyado na po itong matigas. But everyone, here in the crocodile farm, we breed the crocodiles only for conservation and not for production. So it means we're not killed any kinds of crocodiles. Hindi po kami kumakatay ng buhaya. So we are here to conserve them, especially for the Philippine crocodiles because now they're considered as a critically endangered. Nanganganib po silang maubos. We conserve them, breed, and then after 5 years, they're releasing back them to the wild. So binabalik po namin sila sa kanilang natural na habitat. But everyone, all crocodile products, like for example, crocodile meat, like crocodile sisig, crocodile tapa, barbecue, burger, lechon, and also crocodile ice cream, those products are from Teresa Rizal and Crocodile Park in Davao City, not here in Palawan. But everyone, if you want to try crocodile lechon and also crocodile ice cream, those products are from Davao City. So sila po yung gumagawa ng mga produkto po na gano'n. And if you want to try crocodile ice cream, that is made from crocodile eggs. Gawa siya sa itlog po ng buhaya. And everyone sa Bayumi po, before Rio, has a record of being the largest crocodile captured from the wild. Siya naman po yung kinilala na pinakamalaking buhaya. Pero noon po yun. Nowadays, Lolong holds the record. Nakuha po ni Lolong. Lolong had been recognized by the Guinness Book of World Record as our largest crocodile in captivity with 20.3 feet long, around 6 meters. Rio, 17.6 feet, around 5 meters. Lolong is almost 1 meter longer than Rio. But he's not from Palawan. Lolong came from Agusan Marsh in Mindanao. Last February 2013, he died, and then now he was displayed in National Museum in Manila. So our next station, everyone, will be the hatchling house, and there we will see young crocodiles about 1 to 5 years old. But for your safety, inside the back area, please hands off. So do not put your hands and things inside the tanks of the baby crocodiles, even though they're still young. they can jump, bite, and cut off your fingers. Again, hands off. You have camera and cell phones, they can take pictures, but please, instead of hatching house, kindly turn off your flash. Lastly, as we go to the pens of the big crocodiles, and there, we will see almost same size of Rio. Kasing laki po niya, buhay na buhay pa. Please take all the things not to fall inside the pens because I'm not so sure if how to get it back for you. So please, careful, okay? So let's go to the light crocodiles, everyone. This way, please.
Take that.